Hey beautiful soul, welcome. This is your time, a moment just for you. Affirmations are powerful more than just words. They are vibration that shapes your reality. What you tell yourself daily becomes your truth, your energy, your life. When you listen to I am affirmations, you're not just repeating words, you're reprogramming your subconscious mind, shifting your mindset and aligning yourself with the life you deserve. These affirmations are here to help you tap into the power, to remind you that you are strong, worthy, and limitless. Whether you listen in the morning to set tone for your day or at night to rewire your mind while you sleep, trust that every word is planting a seed of transformation. So take a deep breath, open your heart, and let these affirmations guide you to your highest self. You are ready, you are worthy, you are unstoppable. After each affirmation, I will allow some time for you to repeat the affirmation out loud or quiet in your heart. Let's begin. I am the creator of my reality, and I shape my life with love and intention. I am a magnet for joy, success, and abundance. I am constantly evolving into the best version of myself. I am at peace with where I am while striving for more. I am worthy of all the love, success, and happiness that flows my way. I am a powerful force of positivity and light. I am resilient, strong, and capable of overcoming any challenge. I am in alignment with my highest self and divine purpose. I am surrounded by infinity opportunities for growth and success. I am enough exactly as I am, and I embrace my uniqueness. I am confident in my abilities and trust myself completely. I am a beacon of inspiration for others around me. I am deserving of all the dreams I am manifesting. I am effortlessly attracting financial abundance into my life. I am deeply loved, valued, and appreciated. I am in perfect harmony with the energy of the universe. I am attracting the right people and experiences into my life. I am in tune with my intuition and trust it to guide me. I am healthy, vibrant, and full of energy. I am constantly radiating confidence and self-love. I am limitless and nothing can hold me back from achieving greatness. I am open to receiving miracles every day. I am the embodiment of peace, balance, and certainty. I am the architect of my future, building a life I love. I am fearlessly stepping into new opportunities and challenges. I am free from all doubt and insecurities. I believe in myself. I am aligned with the frequency of success and prosperity. I am attracting everything I need at the perfect time. I am deeply connected to my inner wisdom and higher purpose. I am overflowing with creativity and innovating ideas. I am protected and guided by divine energy. I am always growing, learning, and expanding in wonderful ways. I am a source of love, kindness, and compassion. I am radiating gratitude for all the blessings in my life. I am a magnet for success and effortlessly achieve my goals. I am attracting aligned opportunities that support my dreams. I am vibrating at a high frequency and my energy is contagious. I am grounded, present, and fully enjoying each moment. I am attracting wealth and financial freedom with ease. I am constantly finding new ways to express my authentic self. I am healing, growing, and transforming into my highest potential. I am attracting deep and meaningful connection into my life. I am fearless in the pursuit of my goals and passions. I am worthy of all the love, success, and happiness I desire. I am walking my unique path with confidence and trust. I am attracting peace, love, and happiness into my life effortlessly. I am releasing all doubt and stepping into my power. I am a beautiful soul with a purpose and mission. I am embracing every experience as a step toward my dreams. I am already the person I am becoming. Now take a deep breath in. Hold it and slow exhale, let it all out, allowing every word to sink deep into your soul. You are rewiring your mind, shifting your energy, and stepping into your highest potential. Those affirmations are now part of you, guiding, strengthening, and aligning you with the life you deserve. Trust yourself. Believe in your power. Everything you seek is already on its way. Carry this energy with you and remember, you're limitless, you're enough, you're unstoppable. I love you. Until next time, keep shining.